Hello, it's me again. Today, I'm talking about my skincare routine. Skincare is something that is very personal, and so there's no guarantee that everything that works for me will work for you. But I wanted to share with you guys the products that I use to keep my skin in the best condition that it can be in. Side note, I have always struggled with acne, and I've been going to a dermatologist since I was probably 14 years old. Through the dermatologist, they have prescribed me different medications that I have taken and different topicals that I've used, and now the products that are prescribed to me that I am using for my skin are birth control and a retin-A topical. I just wanted to give a little side note because those are the two products that I will not be showing and that I haven't bought from the drugstore. Everything else in here I got from the drugstore and use religiously. And now that that's behind us, let's get on into the rest of the video. The first thing that I do when I start my skincare routine is take off my makeup. Taking off your makeup is so important for your skin to be able to breathe and to be able to clear up. When it comes down to it, makeup is not good for your skin whatsoever, so it is very, very, very important to get it all off. To do that, I use the Neutrogena Makeup Removing Cleansing Towelettes, and these are some of my favorite makeup removing wipes. I just use one of these all over my face and on my eyes to take off my makeup, and these do a phenomenal job. Also, these wipes don't pull at my face or irritate my face at all. I know that sometimes I have used wipes that leave my face feeling really dry and just like pulled and tugged on, and even sometimes a little bit raw, and these have never done that for me. That's why I pick these makeup wipes out of all of them at the drugstore. Another thing that I like about these makeup wipes is that they don't have a funky smell, which is a deal breaker for me when it comes to different face products. These are fragrance free, and by fragrance free, they really do mean fragrance free. There is absolutely no smell that lingers around, which I really appreciate. The next step in my skincare routine is going in with a micellar water, and this is just to make sure that I got every single ounce of makeup off my skin so that there is no possible chance that I will break out, because I break out over everything. So I'm doing the absolute most to ensure that I will not break out. The micellar water that I use is the Garnier Skin Active micellar water, and this is just the small travel size bottle. And I take this on just like 1 or 2 cotton pads and wipe it all over my face and on my neck, down my neck. Make sure you get your neck. And I do this until the cotton pad comes out completely clean, because even though the makeup wipes are fantastic at doing what they do sometimes leave a little bit of makeup left, so that is why I love to go in with this and get everything off. Plus, this really helps get the little bit of mascara that's left on your eyelashes off. I thought that micellar water was just some trend going on. I never really hopped on the bandwagon until a few months ago. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, and then I ended up liking it, and it's honestly really changed up my skincare routine. So A+ for this stuff. So after I have gone through the intense process of making sure that all my makeup is off, I like to wash my face. And washing my face has always been something that I dread. I don't know why, but recently I have really gotten into it, and I think that's because I've started using a different face wash. The face wash that I have started using is Panoxyl, and this is a 10% benzoyl peroxide wash, which is really, really helpful for people who have acne like me. This is not gonna over dry your face or make it red or itchy. I know that that's a big concern with benzoyl peroxide washes because they can be just a little bit too harsh on your face, but this one isn't like that. I have used, trust me, plenty of drugstore face washes and even some higher end face washes that really, really irritate my face and leave it just like really red and like raw. But this has never done that for me, and I've used it for a few months now, and I think that it's just made all the world's difference in my skin. You can use this on your face, on your chest, on your back, anywhere on your body, and it'll really, really help get out all the dirt and make your skin literally feel the cleanest it's ever felt. It foams up when you put it on your face, and that is something that I love. I love it when soaps foam, like hand soaps or shampoos or anything like that. I love it when it lathers and it foams, because then it makes me feel like it's actually doing something. And this leaves your skin feeling like almost too clean, like suspiciously clean. I use this both day and night, and sometimes in between if I just need like an extra wash, if I'm feeling oily or anything like that. And I love it. It has really changed up the way that my skin looks and feels, and overall just kind of like makes me glow. Skin can be really, really damaging when it comes to self-confidence. I know that I have even just struggled wanting to go out because my skin has been so bad. And with this, I noticed that even just with one wash, all my breakouts got a little smaller and just like less red and less noticeable, which is really, really, really nice, because skin issues and acne and all that, it sucks, but everyone goes through it, and you go out there and realize, wow, everyone has acne, and then it's not such a big deal. And this makes it even better. It's really, really changed my skin. After I wash my face, I always make sure to put a lotion on to ensure that I don't lose any moisture in my skin. The face lotion that I use is something that I rave about all the time, and I literally cannot get enough, because with such sensitive skin, I've always struggled finding a moisturizer that doesn't clog my pores and break me out right away. So I went to the dermatologist and they recommended using CeraVe or CeraVe PM, not the AM one, but the PM one, and I use this both day and night to moisturize my skin, and oh my goodness, this is my all-time favorite holy grail. Will not ever use a different moisturizer. Like, wow. It's oil-free, so it won't clog your pores, and it is just fantastic. I literally cannot rave about it enough. I have made people use it and then they love it too. I really, really love this. I don't know what it is about it, but it just really works with my skin, and I put it on under my makeup, and then I put it on right before I go to bed, and it just leaves my skin feeling supple and not dry or flaky or anything like that. And it's great. I really like this stuff, and everybody needs it, and everybody should use it. And I don't know why you're not using it already. Haven't you heard that I love it? The last part of my skincare routine is my lips, which your lips, they're on your face. They're just as important as your skin. I use something that is so easily accessible at the drugstore. It is the Aquaphor Lip Repair. And this is $2.99 for a thing like this, and it lasts a really super long time because you only need a little bit. It is the best lip treatment that I have used. It keeps your lips really soft and looking great and not chapped at all, because chapped lips are the worst. And I get really, really chapped lips, and then they crack, and then they bleed, and then they look terrible. And this really, really helps when that happens. And it usually doesn't happen, but if I forget to put this on and then my lips crack, then I'm like, dang it, I forgot the Aquaphor. And then I put the Aquaphor on the next night, and then I wake up and my lips are so much better, and I'm like, wow, this is great. This is the best stuff, and you can just use it as a chapstick, just going on your day. You just put it on, you pop it on. It's a great little sheen, really intensifies the colors of your lips. So this is my favorite lip product, and it's my favorite lip treatment. So that is my skincare routine, besides the 2 products that I get from the dermatologist. And I get everything from the drugstore, so it's very easily accessible for all of you guys. I have been using these products in my skincare routine for about 3 months now, and I have definitely seen an improvement in my skin. Like I said before, skincare is something that is very, very personal for everybody. So what works for me might not work for you, but you might as well give it a shot. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Bye!